Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 10th of September 2024. US Dow Jones increased 1.20%, settling the day at 40,829.59, while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,884.60, increased 1.16%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 36,388.04, and Hang Seng is trading at 17,205.42. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 25,040.50, indicating a start in the green for the Indian market. FII bought 1,176.55 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 1,757.02 crore in the last trading session. GST Council to consider rate rejig on health and life insurance in November. US to partner with India to explore semiconductor supply chain opportunities. Now talking about global aspects, Wall Street indexes bounce back as investors await inflation data and Fed rate cuts. Oil prices edge up as storm nears US Gulf Coast after a week of heavy losses. WTI fell 2.1% at $67.67 a barrel, and Brent fell 2.2% to $71.06 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 101.66. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.41%, up. Here is a recap of Monday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices rebounded from intraday lows after a weak start to the week, driven by ongoing concerns over the US economy following last week's jobs data, which indicated a continued slowdown in the labor market. The Sensex advanced by nearly 400 points, closing at 81,559.64, while the Nifty ended on a positive note at 24,936.40. Outlook for the day. Nifty has formed a positive candle on the daily chart, reflecting strong market sentiment. Resistance is at 25,000, and a break above could drive it to 25,300. On the downside, support is at 24,800, if breached it may drop to 24,500 level. The overall trend remains positive, favoring a buy on dips strategy. Nifty Bank has rebounded from trendline support, forming a strong bullish candle, signaling active buyers. Resistance is at 51,300, with the potential to reach 51,800 if broken. Key support is at 50,800, a drop below could lead to 50,400. Sentiment remains positive, favoring a buy on dips approach. Stocks on the radar are: bullish view, Dabur, Voltas, Dixon, Marico, Piramal Enterprises. Bearish view, Hindalco, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, Coal India, Hind Petro. Our chart of the day is bullish on Hindustan Unilever. Trade of the day: Hindustan Unilever, buy at 2,920. Stop loss 2,840. Target 3,130. Aggressive targets at 3,000. Rationale: all-time high breakout. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.